What if you could launch a high-quality career without taking on thousands of dollars in student debt? Across Nevada, students and job seekers are looking for real career pathways without the financial burden from the growing costs of college tuition. Our no-debt career fair connects you directly to paid apprenticeships, industry-recognized training programs, and employers who are hiring now. Earn while you learn, build real skills, start strong. Join us in Southern Nevada on April 28th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Culinary Academy of Las Vegas, located at 710 West Lake Mead Boulevard in North Las Vegas. Or attend in Northern Nevada on May 1st from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Applied Technology Center at Truckee Meadows Community College, located at 475 Edison Way in Reno. Your future doesn't have to start with debt. It can start with opportunity. To learn more, visit labor.nv.gov or register today by emailing Nevada SAC at labor.nv.gov.